Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify theme. So once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard, just go onto online store here, wait for it to load, and then right now your theme is called Dawn. If you just sign up, this will be the theme that will be given to you. But the way you can change your theme is just scrolling down and then here, popular free themes. The first one we have is of course Dawn, and then there's Spotlight, there's Refresh, and there's a lot more theme by pressing here, visit themes. Wait for it to load. And here you can search all kinds of themes, but of course, some of them are paid and most of them is pretty pricey as well. $300, $360, $380, $350. If you want to buy any of these, go for it, but I'll just stick to the free one, honestly. Anyways, back on the Shopify admin dashboard here, if you want to add a theme, just press on add. And then it'll install the theme. Just wait for it to install. Now that it's installed, the way you can switch your theme is just by pressing publish. This will replace your current theme Dawn. That's okay. Let's just publish. And there you go. Now your theme has been changed.